Imagine living life on your own terms. Traveling, working less, earning more. That's the promise of Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek. In this video, we'll break down 5 life-changing lessons to escape the 9-to-5 grind and design your dream lifestyle. Lesson 1. The New Rich Mindset. Forget working 40 years to retire at 65. The New Rich focus on time, freedom, and experiences, not just money. Instead of postponing happiness, design your ideal lifestyle now. Define what you truly want and reverse engineer how to achieve it. Lesson 2. Apply the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify which clients, tasks, and activities bring you the most value and eliminate or delegate the rest. Focus your energy where it creates maximum impact. Lesson 3. Automate and delegate. Stop doing everything yourself. Outsource tasks to virtual assistants, use automation tools, and build systems that run without you. The goal is to remove yourself from daily operations and free up your time. Lesson 4. Take mini retirements. Don't wait until you're old to enjoy life. Take frequent breaks throughout your life. Travel, learn, and enjoy experiences now. Design your career and business to support this flexible lifestyle. Lesson 5. Practice fear setting. Instead of only setting goals, identify your worst fears, break them down, and plan how to handle them. Often, the fear of failure is worse than failure itself. By confronting your fears logically, you free yourself to take bold actions. The 4-Hour Workweek isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart with your time, energy, and freedom. Which of these lessons will you apply first? Leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more life-changing insights.